If you've never had fresh pasta, you are missing out. Making your own fresh pasta is already very easy, but with the Antree stand mixer attachment, rolling and cutting your spaghetti and linguine is even easier. The attachment comes in a nice tidy package, complete with a thank you card, instructions, cleaning brush, the tri-roller attachment, and the melting bolt. The instructions won't leave you hanging either. They are well thought out and include a table of contents, roller settings chart, assembly, safety, tips, parts and features, pasta making instructions, cleaning, and multiple recipes. Attaching the tri-roller and cutter is a snap. Unscrew the mixer attachment plate bolt and remove. Insert the attachment, making sure that it's right side up. Fasten with the included longer bolt, and presto, you're on your way. Mix a batch of pasta dough using simple ingredients: flour, eggs, olive oil, salt, and water in small batches until the dough is the correct consistency. Once thoroughly mixed, knead the dough. Flour the surface and roll the dough out. As an alternate to hand kneading the dough, you may divide it into equal sections and run it through the roller multiple times, folding each pass. Cut the dough into equal pieces so it's manageable as you run it through the roller. Pull out the selector knob and rotate it to the number 1 position. This is the widest setting. Flatten the dough section and feed it in through the top of the rollers. Set the dial to the next position and feed in the dough again. Repeat until the dough is as thin as you would like. Make sure to flour each side before running it through the cutter. We chose to make linguine here, so we left the dough a little bit thicker. You may store the pasta if you would like, but odds are temptation will get the best of you, so just drop it into some boiling water, cook to the desired tenderness, plate it up, top with your favorite sauce, and enjoy.